Hello everyone and very happy Diwali, and for my Diwali I'm gonna celebrate with lots of crackers and also very sweet sweets. So I'm gonna make a Doodh Peda toffee. You can see here this sweet tastes like Doodh Peda but texture is like a toffee. So to make this we need only 4 ingredients, and the good news is it just becomes in just 20 minutes. So you need to waste a lot of time. So in a pan, thick bottom pan, I've added half cup of milk, whole fat milk, and half cup of sugar. On low flame you need to try to just melt the sugar and then keep it in the flame to medium. Add half cup of milk powder and just add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and just mix everything. So try to make a lump free solution or the mixture. So try to mix again and again. Do not keep the vessel aside and just do not leave from the kitchen. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. For the rules to subscribe it, you need to click the red color subscribe button and the bell icon for the notifications. So back to the recipe, you can see here it started to thicken a lot. So now at this point you need to make the flame into medium low. So just like this you need to just mix everything again and again. Scrape out from the corners, scrape it down from the bottom, and you'll be ending like this. You can see here. Then you need to turn off the flame and just let it cool till it become warm. So take generous amount of ghee and just apply to your palm and rub it to your palm so that your doodh peda doesn't stick to your hand. So take generous amount of doodh peda mixture. It should be warm enough so that it just set, and it will be easy for you all to just make a shape of doodh peda or circle or spear. Like this you need to make all the doodh pedas and you will be ready. So in this way I'm gonna make my sweets for my Deepavali and wish you all a very happy Deepavali. Wish that you celebrate Deepavali eco-friendly. Thank you for watching.